a great city, we have to educate people first. Educate people first. But before educating people, we have to build a great university, a great accredited university like India. So we have to give enough teacher, a good qualified teacher in Asia, so that the people from all over the Aceh can go to Asia or other university in their own district to be educated, to learn from this qualified teacher. To build this university, we have to build another
what? Just thinking.
no. I think enough.
Enough. All right. It's okay.